Hello, good morning. So tomorrow is our last day here in our Airbnb. So that's why today we are packing our stuff. Pero may mga sinampay pa kami. At makalat ngayon dito. This has been our home for a month. We're gonna miss this view. This view. There.
Ay, hindi kita. Sobrang iksi kasi ng kamay ko. Hindi kita.
Hello guys. Yeah. Lipat bahay po kami ngayon.
April
6.
6. First hakot of the day.
Kasi hanggang bukas na lang po kami sa Airbnb namin.
And we plan to sleep there tonight. Sa apartment lang.
Fortunately, nakahanap kami ng apartment before mag-ilang Airbnb. So, it's a good thing. Thank you, Lord. It's like Madrid all over again. 13 degree, no? Hindi naman masyadong malamig ngayon. Pero ito. Hindi makita masyado. A day in a life. Coffee. We're having coffee for this morning. But
This is the usual breakfast.
yeah. And
Coffee and quick breakfast. Kasi ayaw
we're back here sa Airbnb. And again, tomorrow na ang aming check-out. 12 o'clock. Nag-out na kami ngayon pa lang. Para wala na kaming problema bukas. We recommend this Airbnb. No, maliit lang siya. Ako, kita. So, since yesterday, naghakot na kami ng mga gamit namin from here sa Airbnb namin na 1 month din namin naging bahay. So, this is the last day na dito kami. And mula bukas, or simula ngayong araw din ito, and moving forward, din na kami sa apartment. Magstay. Again, just one last look sa aming Airbnb.
So yeah, we just visited here para iwan yung susi as per instruction ng aming host. By the way, thank you so much for being so attentive to our needs. We're very thankful for this Airbnb kasi siya yung nag-house sa amin, siya yung tumanggap sa amin for 1 month.
While naghahanap
ng long-term apartment namin. Saksi to sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan namin. Lahat ng mga challenges, ganyan, and wins namin. Very memorable tong place na to sa amin. And of course, we're going to miss the view, the beautiful view outside.
Yes. Again, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to support our channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. And again, see you in our next adventure. Hasta luego!
Hasta luego!